Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be creating a recording to show you how you can use Screencast-o-matic and add captions to any of your YouTube videos. If you're not familiar, Screencast-o-matic is a great tool. It is kind of a desktop application, so once you download it from the Screencast-o-matic website, as seen right here, you should be able to install that just fine, even on your school laptop. Just given the prompts, you just kind of go through and install it. And then you can utilize this. It does have a free mode that's definitely limited, but the pay mode is relatively cheap. So if you find yourself wanting to try something different, this would be an option as well. So once you kind of have the Screencast-o-matic, you can hit the start recording for free. And then you go ahead and hit launch recorder. Again, it might prompt you to open it up, so I'm just going to hit open then. And you'll see that my recorder is being launched. All right, so now I've got my recorder. You can set the size of the screen, so that's one nice little feature within Screencast-o-matic. You can check your microphone as well. And if you wanted to add a webcam, you can do that as well. This is a nice feature where you can add the webcam. As you can see, I'm down in the bottom right-hand corner. So you can add that. There are lots of other little options you can have, and again, some of them you might be limited with based on the free recorder as well. But once you're ready to record your video, you just go ahead and hit the record button. It'll give you the countdown on your screen, and then you can go ahead and record whatever it was that you wanted. So if you wanted a presentation that you wanted to record, or if you wanted to go through ClassLink and show them the different things that they need to select, you can have that ready for them. Once you're done with your recording, down in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see that little red circle. You're just going to go ahead and hit that. And then one, again, nice feature about this is you can back up, you can re-record, you can go to the middle of where you were whenever you were in your recording and re-record, so that's a nice little feature. And when you're done, you just hit the done button, and I tend to use the save and upload. And then once I get this, I can save it as a video, or I can upload it directly to YouTube. I've had a little trouble with the upload directly to YouTube, so right now I'm just going to go ahead and hit save as video. I have the paid version too, so I just want to point out that when you have that, they make it nice and easy to edit as well, so that's a nice little feature you can use. But once you're ready, just give it a file name, so let's call this one Screencast-o-matic, and I can go ahead and publish it. I can highlight the cursor. I can add on my captions here at this point too, so I'm going to go ahead and hit open, and then I'm going to turn on that speech to text and make sure I have my English and generate those. So I've got that over here. Any of those that you need to edit as well, they've got those ready for you, so you can see all the screencast captions off on the left-hand side. And again, I didn't add very much from this, but you can see that it does a pretty good job picking that up. But if you want to edit it, you can certainly do that. And then again, you can just go ahead and hit the save button and publish. That'll do it for closed captions with Screencast-o-matic.